Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Stripe account in non-supported countries. So the first step that you have to do is to use a business entity. So you have to create a business entity in a Stripe supported country. Then you can use services like Stripe Atlas to incorporate a US LLC or register a company in the UK, Singapore, or other supported regions. So this will give you a legal business address in a supported country, allowing you to create a Stripe account linked to that entity. So next is to get a virtual address. So obtain a virtual business address in a Stripe supported country through services like InkFile, Northwest, Registered Agent, or Anytime Mailbox. So this address will be used for your business registration and Stripe account verification. And then you just have to make sure that the service is reputable and provides mail forwarding capabilities. Next is to prepare required documents. So collect necessary documents, including government-issued ID. It can be passport, and it should be preferred for the international users. And then the business registration documents, the EIN or the tax ID, and lastly is the proof of address. And then the Stripe will require you for these identity verification. And then just ensure that all documents are clear, valid, and match with the information that you will provide during registration. Next is to create your Stripe account. So just visit the stripe.com and click Start Now or Sign Up. From there, just enter your business email and then create a password and provide your business information using the supported country details. So just fill in your business name, the address, the virtual address, and also the tax ID and personal information. So just be accurate and consistent with your documentation. Next is to complete verification. So just upload your identity documents and business documents when prompted. So the Stripe may ask for additional information to verify your business. So this process can take 1 to 3 business days. And then once approved, you can set up your bank account for payouts. And then you can also consider using Payoneer or Wise, formerly TransferWise, if you need international banking solutions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!